after a few months of production, it's finally happening. That's right. YMMR Mystery. We started V2. Chapter 4 class trial is coming tomorrow. So, probably wondering, wait a minute, what about the editor? It's not complete though. Well, that's the thing. Me and my editor both agreed that the series will not be edited anymore. We'll go back to the original style for it. So yeah, I'm sorry for who's disappointed about Trial 3 is the only one edited. Yeah, shit has been going through the crew a lot. But we're back to production. Also, before the episode releases, I have to say that Trial 4 is not edited, so there is no music. There may be a lot of mistakes in it. But I just want to make sure to make you all happy. And I promise Chapter 5 will be better. So, see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.